This video will work through problem 17.2 from Gapenski's Healthcare Finance, 6th edition. So in 17.2, we're looking at a physician group that's forming, and they need $2 million in assets. So their total assets are going to be $2 million, and they expect to have revenue of $3 million, and their profit margin is going to be 5%. Okay, and so the question is, do they do 100% equity financing, or do they do 50% equity financing and 50% debt? So we're comparing two possible balance sheets. So balance sheet one would be assets of 2 million, called total assets of 2 million, and let's say, so this one would be 50-50. So we'd have liabilities of 1 million and equity of 1 million for a total of 2 million liabilities and owner's equity, right? So we're balanced. So that's balance sheet one. Balance sheet two would be total assets of 2 million and equity of 2 million, right? So that they're balanced and there's no liability. So it's just owner's equity. Okay. So the question is, how would this affect the return on equity, right? ROE. So ROE, we take net income divided by equity, but we don't have net income. So how are we going to get an estimate of net income? Well, we know that they're going to have revenue of 3 million and their profit margin is going to be 5%. So what that means is that they are earning 5%. Well, we could say, profit margin is equal to net income divided by total revenue, right? Well, we know that the profit margin is 5%, and we know that total revenue is 3 million. So we know that 5% of 3 million is going to equal net income. So 0.05 times 3 million gives us 150,000. So that becomes our net income. And then we just need to know how much equity. So under balance sheet one or option one, where they're 50-50 financing, they're going to have 1 million in equity. So we'd have 150,000 divided by 1 million gives us 15%, right? 150 divided by 1,000. 1,000 is 15%. So under a 50-50 capital structure, they're going to have a ROE of 15%. If they have all equity financing, they'll still have 150,000 in net income, but now they have 2 million in equity, right? So it's a bigger denominator. So it's going to be 7.5%, right? 150 divided by 2,000 is 7.5%. So one way to drive up your return on equity is to leverage your organization and take out lots of debt.